Hey guys, Tom here and welcome back to another video on the Racing Joker channel. Today, we are going to a car show. All right, we found the meet, it's just back there. And we're at Gordon Moore Park. Let's see what's out here. Okay, so Miles, I didn't know you were gonna be here today. Or that you changed the color of your car. I actually kind of like this blue. I guess these are the stock 370Z wheels, because Miles has aftermarket ones, but with the Nissan emblems in the middle. Is that a backup camera? Is that aftermarket or factory? Well, that, for one thing, is a lot of chrome and a Z06. Ooh. Heather, I found your dream car. It's not a Trackhawk, but that's an SRT, and that looks nice. Well, let's take a closer look. This has got to be one of my favorites so far. So that Grand Cherokee is not an SRT, it's actually a Trackhawk, which means it doesn't have over 500 horsepower, it has 707. So the guy changed up the badging, that's why I was confused, because apparently it has a ton of badging on it and he didn't like it, so he took a bunch of it off. But yeah, that's a Trackhawk. That is literally Heather's dream Jeep, apart from the Wrangler or Gladiator or something. I think Heather probably likes the Grand Cherokee over even like Mustangs and stuff. I would say the Trackhawk Grand Cherokee is her dream car. Okay, so there are some nice cars here, but I'm taking a break and enjoying a little bit of the air conditioning. Miles and Jordan from the group are heading on over here. We'll check out some cars together, probably go for a little bit of a drive, and yeah, and then I guess that'll be the video. So I'm relaxing, chilling, listening to the music they're playing, and it's cool. It's not too different from the car show that I went to in Washington, the one that I showed you guys in one of the previous vlogs. I think it might have even been the last one. No, the one before. And it's the same sort of vibe, you know, classic cars, a lot of domestic American muscle. It'll be very different to tomorrow's video where I go to Cars and Coffee at Worldwide Technology Raceway. I think that's what it's called. Everyone else just calls it Gateway here. But the music, the cars, the vibe, the people, it's very consistent. And it feels like it's from another time, and I think that's why a lot of people like it. Because it's a certain vibe, it's a nostalgia, it's a theme. Ooh, nice black Camaro. I just did a verbal anagram of Camaro.